So hey guys, today we'll be looking at how we create a very simple deep conditioner. For the purpose of this video, we will call it the quarantine deep conditioner. Yeah, let's go. All you would need is some Fenugreek Powder, Moringa, Healthy Strands hair growth oil serum, Healthy Strands conditioner, and some aloe. We're going to be mixing up those ingredients and we're going to be making a very moisturizing deep conditioner, and you will see how it comes out. Stick with me. So we're now going to be making our quarantine deep conditioner. As you know, it's very important to deep condition your hair. So what we'll be using is our Fenugreek powder. So this is what I got on Amazon. We have the Moringa powder also from Amazon. We have the Healthy Strands Cactus and Aloe Conditioner, Healthy Strands Hair Growth Oil Serum, and lastly we'll be putting some aloe in there for the texture. Okay, for this recipe I did not measure the ingredients per se, but what I did was I just kind of eyeball what I would need and what texture I was looking for with the deep conditioner. So I think you would do the same for yourself, ensuring that the texture feels right for your hair. So this is the finished product. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, this is the consistency. All right, so we're gonna just be applying to my hair. Now we are ready to apply the deep conditioner to our hair. I usually apply my deep conditioner from ends to roots using a tangle teaser to help with the detangling process. So I have applied my deep conditioner to my entire hair, starting from the ends, which is the oldest part of your hair, and going to the roots. All right, my entire hair is saturated with the deep conditioner, and as you can see it coming through. I will now put on 2 shower caps for the heat purpose. So I will just double it up, and I will leave it on for 1 hour and then wash it out. So hey guys, I'm just done washing out the deep conditioner. As you can see, my hair is very moisturized, and the next thing I'm going to do is apply our hair growth oil serum, the hair growth oil mixture, also some shea butter and some mango butter to add back moisture to my hair, my strands, my scalp, to ensure that it can grow very nicely. If you're interested in seeing that next video, please let us know in the comments, and this is the next video that I will do. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe.